Alrighty, traders, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, and welcome to the Pip Grabber Trading Show. Glad to have everyone here. It's an absolute awesome day here in Florida. Hopefully everyone's having a good time in the market. We're doing really good in the market. We're really hitting some good trade opportunities. Yesterday we placed two trades on the US dollar CAD as well as the Euro US dollar, and we was it both those ones? I'll have to ask Cameron just now. Any case, those two trades played out well. We're still in the CAD Swiss franc. We're going to go take a look and see how the trade's playing out right now. I think we've got 3 or 4 positions in, or 4 or 5 positions in. Not sure. We'll check it out in a minute right here. But let's go ahead and take a quick commercial break. We'll see you back after this. Alrighty, traders. Well, welcome back. And yes, we did have 5 trades in on the CAD Swiss. We still do have 5 trades in the CAD Swiss. And if I go ahead and take a look at my results yesterday, let's take a look over here. Pop open yesterday's trades, and it looks like we picked up yesterday. Looks like yep, Euro US dollar. We had Euro US dollar and we had US dollar CAD. So we did put in those trades yesterday, the 16th, and did play out the same day. So that was good, good profits on those two trades. And we're going to go take a look and see what's going on this morning and see if there's any new opportunities this morning that we can go ahead and trade. So let's jump in. Firstly, just jump into the first trade, which is the CAD. I know we didn't place a trade yesterday on the Aussie CAD, but we're going to go ahead and take a look and see what's going on right here. Now, the Aussie CAD has gone ahead and rallied up. Look at this, right here at the backside of the trend line right here. And now that we're at the backside of the trend line, we'll be looking for the market to go ahead and sell off. I'm going to go ahead and open the 1 hour. And on the 1 hour, let's see here. Maybe we need to go to the 4 hour, just get a little bit more look at this. Yeah, look at the oscillator. Look how the oscillator is showing that we are definitely going lower and lower right here. So price is rising, momentum is sinking, and so we should see the Aussie CAD heading back down south, and it's at the backside of the trend line, which is super cool. Let's go to the 4 hour time frame. I don't see any sort of swings here that are, it's just been very solidly bullish. So I don't see any swings here that I'm going to go ahead and use. But I do see that we're in an overbought condition on the 4 hour as well right here at the backside. Here we have a wave 1. If you look at the larger swings going down, here's wave 1, 2, 3. All right. And so this is just a retrace move before the market moves back down south, which means, traders, you know it, you got it. We're going to go ahead and sell Aussie CAD. So let's go ahead and put in a sell on Aussie CAD right here. All right. And for those that are wondering what tools we're using in this trading session, this tool is called the Pip Grabber Trading Tool. You can get access to that tool and other trade signals by subscribing to our starter membership. If you want details about that, go to our website, check out the membership, starter membership. You can get access to this tool we use to be able to trade the market. Plus, not only are you going to get access to the trades that I'm doing here in the show, but you will get access to additional trade signals when you sign up for that tool. Now, if you want to go ahead and follow my trades that I do here in this trading show, for those that are new to this trading show, you can go ahead and check out the description down below. And in the description down below, there is a Telegram channel. And in the Telegram channel, you can see right here is all the trades that I will be placing. There it is there. I just placed the Aussie CAD right here, entry point. And you'll see if we close out the trade, you'll see us actually closing out the position right here. The one thing I'm a little bit disappointed in, very disappointed in, we got almost 700 traders following these signals in this thing. And look at this right here. Only 4 likes. 4 likes, or at least 4 fires, three thumbs up, four hearts on this. Are you kidding me? 700 traders watching these signals and making profit from these signals, and all I get is what? 7, 8, 9, 9 likes? What? All right, you're going to have to jack that one up, baby. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and throw in a fire on that one. All right, go ahead and make sure that you guys engage in these signals so I can go ahead and see how it's doing. All right, go ahead and engage in these signals. Now, we've just gone ahead and sent out a signal right here on the Aussie CAD. Throw in some love there. Throw in some love there. All right, I'm going to go ahead and look right here. All you got to do is if you're on your desktop, you just have to go ahead and right click on it and you'll see all the options up here. I'm going to throw some love on that one there. Okay, now let's go to the next trade opportunity. Now, down in the description, you can find the Telegram channel. But also, traders, if you have not subscribed to this channel already, you may want to go ahead and do so. Subscribe to the channel. Also, make sure you go ahead and thumbs up. Smash the like button so you can give us thumbs up on this channel as well as on this video. So hit the like button. Make sure you go ahead and do that today. We want to get 100 likes on this video. Appreciate that. Now, traders, let's go ahead and take a look at the next trade opportunity here. New Zealand CAD. Now, New Zealand CAD, we have, let's see here. Got the 4-hour time frame open right here. I'm going to go to the daily, just get a bigger picture again on the daily. Ooh, look at that. Daily did show us a nice little turnaround here. Looks like we're in a retracement move based on this U-turn right here. We did see, oh, I see something here. Look at this. We do see consolidation here. Large bit of consolidation, which means that long term we do expect the New Zealand CAD to go ahead and trade up here to the top. So if I go ahead and zoom down, it's no surprise that we had this wave 1, 2, 3, and price is now trading above the wave 1 right here because it's chasing after this wave 2 high. So if I go here and take a look at this right here, I'm going to pay a little more attention to what's going on over here on this U-turn. So, and by the way, I still see the oscillator telling me that this U-turn is just a retest of that U-turn, and that we may go ahead and trade a little bit lower. So although the market's showing that we've got this upside potential, it also tells me that in the midterm and short term, that we may be not done with a bearish move to the downside. So there could be still some bearish sell-off before price goes ahead and starts moving back up again. So I'm going to go ahead and take a look at this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to a 1 hour. And I'm going to take a look here on the 1 hour. Excuse me while I... And on the 1 hour, I'm seeing here... I'm seeing a range-bound trading. Market's at resistance here. Go ahead and put in some swings going along here. Okay, so this is the, let's see what we have here. We're at the top at the resistance here. If I sell off, can price go down? Price can go down another 20. Yeah, we should be able to make it about 20%. That's all right. I'm going to go ahead and sell New Zealand CAD right here. Now, New Zealand CAD, let's go ahead and throw in a sell on New Zealand CAD right here. All right, so we're selling Aussie CAD, we're selling New Zealand CAD, and just by the way, we're selling CAD Swiss. Now think about it. If we're selling Aussie CAD, New Zealand CAD, that means that we're expecting the Canadian dollar to strengthen. That's why we're selling Aussie CAD, New Zealand CAD. But we are currently also selling CAD Swiss. So you can see how all of them are pretty much lined up with each other. expecting, sorry, not, not lined up, but hedged against each other. The New Zealand CAD and Aussie CAD, we're looking for stronger Canadian to push it down south. But on the CAD Swiss, we're looking for CAD to weaken. So the CAD Swiss remains to be a hedge with the two positions we've just taken now on New Zealand and Aussie CAD. Just want to go ahead and throw that out there. All right, let's go to Euro US dollar right here. You know what? Actually, let's go to US dollar CAD. US dollar CAD, we see, let's take a look right here. All right, so we had the market showing you on the 1 hour. Here's a wave 1. We had a wave 3 down here. Oh, wow, look at that. Now we had the news come out. We had the news come out right here at 2 o'clock. The Feds raised the rates. Let's go back to the news right here. Take a look at the news yesterday. We had the Feds raising the rates, 25 basis point right here. It was right on the money. They raised the rates. We did see a rally. That was yesterday. We saw this rally taking place right here, taking out the previous high. So I'm going to go ahead and play. I'm going to play this card. You're looking at that spike. You're saying the spike took out the high, so that means the swing doesn't play tribute anymore. It is the swing doesn't really mean anything anymore because the high was taken out, right? But look at this right here. See how the market went ahead and created this once again. Wave 1, shallow wave 2, wave 3. Then we had the spike. I'm going to ignore it. And let's see if the market from the bodies right here turns around and goes down to the 1.27 right here. Yes, it does. So right here, look at the oscillator. Oscillator is pointing north. I'm going to expect a rally back up on US dollar CAD. Now, what does that mean? That means I'm expecting weaker CAD. Once again, same as the New Zealand CAD and Aussie CAD. We were expecting weakness out of the Canadian dollar. Now we have the US dollar CAD. And US dollar CAD, we're going to go buy US dollar against CAD, expecting weakness out of the CAD again. Let's do it. I'm going to go ahead and buy US dollar CAD. So let's go ahead and jump in back into the charts right here and go to US dollar CAD and go ahead and buy. So we're buying US dollar CAD, expecting weakness out of the CAD, buying US dollar against the Canadian dollar. Let's go ahead and do that. Now, let's go take a look at the next trade. What's the next trade? Euro. Euro US dollar right here. All right. So we're buying US dollar on the US dollar CAD. We're expecting US dollar to rally. And so if that's the case, then we should be selling Euro US dollar, right? Well, let's see if the technical setup on this one. Well, look at the oscillator. Look at the oscillator. Look at price. We see negative divergence there. Negative divergence. And if we see negative divergence, then it only makes sense for me to do what? Well, I'm going to tell you right after this. Let's go take a quick commercial break. We're going to go ahead and talk about our sponsor for this video, which is ACAP. Let's go ahead and take that video. All right, traders, we want to go ahead and thank ACAP for sponsoring this video. Also, at the same time, they are based in Australia. It is for international traders. For the international traders, do consider ACAP. We'll have all the links down below. In fact, by next week, we're going to have a package deal for everyone that is wanting to open a broker account. We'll have a package deal ready for them next week. We'll have it down in the description next week, where you can go ahead and open up the trading account with ACAP. And you'll be able to get the trade Copier, which is our trade replica, for the first month for absolutely $0. No, No, I lie. It can't be $0. It's a $20 fee. That's it. For $20, you'll get for the first month. If you open up a brokerage account with a cap, you will get our trade replica for $20 for the first month. We'll talk about that next week. We're going to put the package together. We'll let everyone know what that means. We'll talk about it next week, traders. All right, so this is the deal. We are going to sell Euro US dollar right here, just because of the negative divergence. So we've got again, once again, look at that. Price is moving up, oscillator moving down. We should be expecting a downside move despite of this big bullish candle we're seeing right here. All right, despite of that. So we're going to go ahead and sell Euro US dollar right here. And let's see where it is. All right, there it is. Boom, done. Okay, we're in. So we're selling Euro US dollar, we're buying US dollar CAD, we're selling Aussie CAD, we're selling New Zealand CAD, and we are selling CAD Swiss. Those are the 5 trades that we've got currently right now. Let's let it roll. Let's see what happens and see how the markets play out this week. Traders, it's been a great week of trading. It's been a super week based on our trade Copier. In fact, I need to go ahead and let everyone know how we are doing right here with a trade replica. Here we go. So this is it right here. Let me go ahead and refresh. And there we go. Now, I want to remind everyone, we are at 8.95% for the month. We've done 8.95% for the month, but it is just the middle of the month. We're only halfway through the month. So, I said this last week. I said, we're not doing as well as we did in January and February. But I have to speak with correction because this is the middle of the month. We've still got half the month to go. So we could easily get to do the same results that we had last month and the month before, but just playing out this month as we got 2 more weeks of trading. So I think it's going to be a super cool month. For those that are not connected to a trade replica yet, you may want to check out the description down below or go straight to our website. Website is TradersNetworkClub.com. Check it out. It's called the Professional Membership. Go check out the Professional Membership. You get access to a trade replica where all the trades that we place will be placed into your own trading account without you doing anything. All you got to do is connect your trading account to our replica and it will place trades for you, which is super cool. You don't need VPS. You don't need to have your MT4 up and loaded. You don't need to have your computer on. Nothing like that. It'll place all the trades for you and you can get results as we've been getting results over the last few, not the last few weeks or months, but take a look at the year. Last year, we closed out for 2021. We closed out 153% for the year, and we also made 18,500 pips as well. We closed out with 18,500 pips last year alone. This year, if we take a look at the pips this year we're up 5,500 pips for the year. We're up 45% for the year so far. 45% for the year. And we've closed out with 5,500 pips for the year. Super cool month super cool year 2022. Hopefully you guys are going to join us. Make sure you go ahead and do that. With that being said, traders, that is all we have for you today. We'll take a look and see how the trades play out. Once again, if you want to follow us with these trades, go into the Telegram channel, which can be found in the description down below. Follow our trades. Check out what we do. Traders, I wish you all the best, all the success. This is the FxBigDog wishing you peace, joy, and lots of profits. Until next time, happy trading.